Hi, my name is Jeff from Corporate Coffee Solutions. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make cafe-style quality coffee in your office at the press of one button using the WMF1200 coffee machine. WMF is a large German manufacturer and they make some of the best coffee machines in the world. The key features of the 1200 are that you can order it in with 2 coffee bean hoppers, meaning you can use 2 different kinds of coffee beans, or you can order it in as 1 coffee bean and 1 chocolate, if you want to make chocolate as well. The other thing is it can be matched to a CTM 21 milk fridge or a WMF a 4.5 liter milk fridge. So it's got some flexibility. It's easy to make a coffee using the one-touch display panel here. And you can also adjust the strength of your coffee quite easily by pressing the plus or the minus button before each cup if you want to make it milder or stronger. And it can also be ordered in with its own water tank, or as a mains water connected machine. Now, all you need to do is put the cup under the coffee spout and press your coffee selection. There you go. Beautiful long black in only 40 seconds. Now we can also make a cafe latte